Guys, this is Neetu signing in as the Happy Tour. In this video, I'm going to talk about the k and the g sounds. Now, they again come in pairs because they're pronounced very similarly, which means that we're using our tongue, teeth, and mouth in a similar manner. The only difference is in the k sound, we throw the air out, and in the g sound, we feel a lot of vibration when we touch our neck. So how we pronounce these sound is, now it's a k, it's not a k. There is no k in English. It's a k sound. Now it's not like a complete k. It's a k. It's a very crisp k sound. So if we practice it using the drill, we would say k, 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 k. And similarly, g, 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 g. Now I'm not saying ga. I'm just saying g, 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 g. K as in crab. G as in grab. The reason why we learn them in pairs is because mostly people for whom English is their first language, they find it very difficult to understand non-native speakers because they get confused whether they're saying a k or a g. So if you say a k, it will be hard for them to understand you. But if you want to sound, clear in English, then it's a good idea to use the k sound when you're speaking professionally. Now, I'm not saying use, a crab. If you're saying the word crab or kite, you have to keep using this sound when you're talking to your friends or when you're talking to people who don't understand English. I'm just saying you use it in a professional environment when you're speaking publicly or you're giving a presentation. They just make a lot of difference to how you speak. Having said this, now notice the word crab starts with a C. It's C-R-A-B. However, the sound is still a k sound because when we're talking about pronunciation, we look at sounds. So even though the word kite starts with a K, so it's obvious that it has a k sound, but there are a lot of words like cat. They start with a C, but they will still have the k sound. The idea today is to learn how to pronounce the sound correctly and not say a k. Not say kite or cat. We would say kite or cat. Now, initially, it feels really weird if you're not used to saying the k sound because you end up sounding, some people say, oh my God, you're putting on an accent, but it's not really an accent. You are speaking a correct sound. You're just pronouncing it correctly. That's about it. So try to pronounce them at least for a professional environment or when you're interacting with people who speak in English well. That's the only reason why we're doing these sounds, right? At home, even I end up speaking in Hindi, Punjabi, or whatever sounds I want to do, okay? So it's just in a professional environment when I'm training or when I'm talking to people or, when I'm giving a presentation, I try to use these sounds. So remember, ka-ka-ka, ga-ga-ga, ga-ga-ga, ka-ka-ka. Enjoy them and do them every day, at least for the next few months or 1 year, to be able to see an improvement. You will automatically be able to pronounce the words using these sounds. Till then, this is Neetu signing off as the Happy Tour. Take care. Bye-bye.